So I just wanted to do a quick demo of something. I know most of you haven't noticed this about our app, and as you can see here, I'm using the PC version of the app, and you can have this app on your phone, and if you're using an iPhone, you can use the website. Everything is the links is on the group description. So I just wanted to show you this real quick. Usually when I'm making demonstrations, I use mathematics, which is MSM 111. But let me use physics for this demo. Okay, so I've selected physics, and you can see that we've been redirected to the document section of our app. So here you can download these books, and even the lecture notes are here, and some of the previous exams should be here as well. So let me just filter this to lecture notes. Okay, the we see that we get the lecture notes for the first semester. So I'm going to open lecture 1 on physics, which is units and measurements. And, I'm just going to quickly move through this lecture to where things start to get interesting. And we find ourselves on units and measurements. So this one, I've opened the documents. Let me open it again so that we can try to do a quick comparison. Let me just quickly log in. I am going to go back to physics again. Then instead of looking at the documents, I'm going to go on the SchoolTube page, and we'll see that we get topic-based playlists, which I usually talk about. Don't get tired of me talking about this. These are very useful, and they'll help you a lot to understand as you progressively learn. And you find that uh, this is units and measurements, and when we go to the topic-based playlists, we'll find measurements. What did I say? Did I say units and measurements? I think I made a mistake. Okay, we find measurements and estimations even on the lecture notes. We find measurements and estimations. Okay, so when you come back to the playlist, what we'll quickly notice is that these playlists are organized according to how the lectures are moving. So this is measurements and estimations. If I click on one of the playlists for this, we'll find that we'll get some more videos to build up the knowledge on this topic. Let me just try to quickly open up one.
In this lesson, we're going to talk about calculations associated with uncertainty, specifically addition and subtraction. So let's start with this example. Let's say we have 43.3 plus or minus zero point 0.2. Let's say the units are inches. And we're going to
Just pause the video here, and what you notice is that when I quickly go back to the lecture notes and just try to move a little bit, you find that we are talking about uncertainty in the lecture notes, which is what we are talking about in the video. So what you see is that these videos are organized according to how the lecture notes are progressing, which is very helpful in a way, if you understand what I mean. This will help us a lot, will help you guys a lot to progress and learn easily. If as we move through the lecture notes, you find that we found another interesting subtopic of measurements and estimations, which is dimensional analysis. And When we go back to the videos, we'll find that we have videos about dimension analysis in this same playlist. Oh,
In this lesson, we're going to work on some dimensional analysis problems. So let's begin with this one.
okay.
How many seconds are there in a year?
So I know you understand what I'm trying to get to here. I say these videos are helpful, and you find that we haven't just organized videos from one channel. You can see that there's this guy, uh, but I'm pretty sure most of you will be using the first one, who's organic tutor. You get to know him very well as you start learning. He has got some good content, and there's Sky as well. So there are a lot of videos that you can that you can select from the playlist are a lot, and each playlist has videos according to your lecture notes. So as you learn, you're going to find this helpful. So these playlists are not just in one course. As you can see, if I switch to mathematics as well, you find that we have videos there as well. We have videos on each topics like set theory, we've got videos on surds and binary operations, not just from one channel but from different channels. And these are also organized according to your lecture notes. So try to check this out, guys, and I hope you find the content helpful.